fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to kit up a smaller diamond painting for me. I am in the process of working on some very big projects and also having to wait on some stuff. Um, so I need something to work on in the meantime. So this is what I have chosen. This is a painting that I got from Fansells, and I thought I would just go ahead and kit it up and give me something to work on. So I have scanned in the schematic and cut it down so that I can run it through my Xyron sticker maker. I'm just going to be kitting it up. I only have 14 colors, so I have one of these small 28 slot containers. I do have one color that I have 2 bags of, so if it gets to be too big, I can take up multiple containers and that's fine. So I'm just going to get started. So first things first, I need to make the sticker that will have all of the stickers for the container on it. If I can get it to go, there we go. Whoops. My sticker maker does not want to cooperate today. Okay. Maybe I'm finally getting to the end of that roll and I need to dig out one of my refills. Last time I went to go buy refills, they were not available. So when they finally became available, I picked them up so that I would have them on hand for the next time that I needed them. Okay, so I'm going to cut off this side because I don't need that. I'm going to cut off the top here because I don't need that. And then I can just cut all of these individual stickers so I can stick them on my containers. So this is, like I said, a 30 by 40. I'd actually seen this image several times and thought, oh, that would be a good diamond painting, but I just hadn't pulled the trigger on it yet. So I'm glad I finally did. I think this one will be fun. I like the abstract design of it. You guys know I love my abstracts. And it's a fairly simple, in that respect, diamond painting, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so my very first color is actually one that I have 2 bags of, and it's 310. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the sticker on the first container because I don't know how many I'm going to need to fill up with this 310. So we'll start out with 1. I'm going to guess probably 3 is how many I need, but I don't know. Ooh, are all of these going to go into 1? That's a little bit full. Let me shove some of those out of there and close that one. And then these can go in here. So it looks like I will probably have 3 slots filled with the 310, which is fine. Makes it a little easier when you have multiple slots when you're doing these that are hooked together, because then they can't get out of order. So for me, like normally I would put stickers on both of these, but since they're connected, I will know those are 310, and then this will be my next one. So I don't confuse myself about what colors are what, because I've been known to do that. Okay, ooh, a little bit of static in this one. Just a little bit of static. Okay, let me get these all, well, if I can, since they're all sticking together, let me get it in the actual container. Ooh, they just jumped everywhere, didn't they? Okay, let's see if I can get them all to go where they're supposed to. Ugh, you guys. Static is so annoying. Okay, and there's one stuck right there. The more I try to stick them in there, the more they jump out. Okay. Let me just try to stick them in there individually and see if I have a little bit more luck, because at least if I can get them to go inside the container, get some of that oil from my hands on it so it doesn't stick quite as bad. Now they don't want to even stick to my hands. Just that one. Did I miss one? Okay. Guys, come on. Okay, did I get all of them? One more. Ugh. Okay, let me get it closed. I've got a couple that escaped, but that's okay. I'm done playing with static. Okay, so there's that one. All right, crossing my fingers that the rest of these do not behave that way. Okay, 3 and 4, I'm pretty sure can go all in one. So let me get these. Come on, get out of there. Oh, you guys. Why? So annoying when they're this staticky. Look how they're sticking to the sides of the container in there. Get off. Okay. I think that was all of them. One escaped. Look how they're clinging to the sides of that container. That's crazy. I'm gonna have driven to drink by the time I get done with this one. Oh my goodness. You guys. So obnoxious. Okay, I'm going to go get some dryer sheets to see if I can deal with this a little bit better, and I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so what I've done is just picked up a dryer sheet here, and what I'm going to do is just dump these onto the dryer sheet and then get them into a fold, hopefully. And then be able to pour them into the container. Get them to the edge here and see how that goes. Okay. Still a little bit of static, but it's better. Okay. Can I get all those in there? Nope. Okay, so there's that one. Ay, 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 you guys. Okay, number 5 doesn't have very many, and I think number 6 can go on one as well. So let's see. I think just to avoid issues, I'm just going to pour these into the dryer sheet to begin with, because it does look like those have static as well. And then pour them into the container. Still get a few that jump around, but hopefully not as many as I would get otherwise. Then I can pick them up and put them in the container. Okay. All right. Is that everybody? Yes. Okay. And then number 6. This one has a few more in it, so I think I'm going to try and pour as many as I can in here first, just to get them in the container, and then I will deal with the static ones here. So annoying. I'm glad this one only has 14 colors, because if I had to do this with multiple colors, I would probably be insane by the time I got finished. I mean, I have multiple colors, but I mean more than 14. You guys know what I mean. If you've had to deal with static before. Okay, so that's that row. They're sticking to my fingers. How come the 310 didn't have any? Wonder if the darker colors won't have any static. Just because I have a dark color coming up, so I'm trying to make myself feel better. We'll see. Nope, it still has static. Not as bad, but it does have some. Okay. Okay, that was much less painful than the other ones. All right. And then we've got 938, which is another dark color. Let's see if we luck out with that one. I gotta tell you, I think the static is my least favorite thing when it comes to doing these kit ups. And I'm definitely gonna need to put this in 2 containers. Okay, so these can go in second slot. All right, now I'm ready for this red color. I guess it's more of a coral than red. Let's see. That one didn't really, oh, I spoke too soon. I was going to say it doesn't have any static, and then they started jumping everywhere. Okay, let me get it closed before they start escaping. All right, ooh, I'm down to basically more muted colors, so maybe I'll get lucky here. 3024, I basically just have shades of brown left, so we'll see. Let me just brush some of these off because they are staticky. Onto here. They're a little hard to see because they're so light. And they're jumping right off. Seriously, guys? So frustrating. Come on, the rest of you get in there. You too. Little escapees. Got some stuck in the fold there. Okay. Did I miss any? I think that's all of those. Okay. I'm getting all discombobulated here, guys, with all this static. Jeez Louise. When I get done, I'm definitely going to cut this dryer sheet up and put pieces of it in some of these colors because that's crazy. Yep, a bunch of static in this one. Okay. Come on, get out of there. All right, let me rub some of the dryer sheet over it to try and get them to be not so staticky, and then get them to go in here without problem. Don't know how many of them are going to cooperate, but okay, looks like I got most of them in there. A couple of escapees. Okay. All right. Ooh, another dark color. Let's see if this one goes better. Some 3371. I don't know if this is all going to fit in one. I may have to put this in two. Some static. Let's see. See if I can manage to get them all in there. Okay. Some static, but not nearly as bad. All right. I've got 2 colors left. Whew. I am glad this was not a bigger kit. Okay. And that's crooked. So hang on 1 second because I have to straighten it up. All right, and I think this one is going to be more than 1 container as well. This bag is pretty full. Okay, let me open another one. There's some static in this one as well, but not as bad as it could have been. Okay, let's see if I can get these in here. Okay, just 1 in the lid. There we go. And my last color, which is a lighter color, so I'm going to bet it probably has some static in it, but we'll see. Whew, you guys, seriously, I am glad this was only 14 colors. If I'd have had 30 some colors with this much static, I would have been bananas by the end of this video. Okay, 1 escapee. Done. Okay, oops, there's one that escaped from somewhere. Okay, so now what I will do is I will cut this up into smaller pieces and put it in some of these colors that are pretty staticky. You can see this one, these two, this red, and a couple of these. I may just stick, I mean, pretty much everything except the 310 seem to have static, so I may just cut up a piece and keep them in there. But I definitely have extra room, so that's all good. I have my container ready to go. I just need to washi tape my canvas, and then I will be good to go to start diamond painting on this one. So yeah, there you go. As always, guys, I will stick a link in the description down below so you can check out this painting for yourself. If you like this video, before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.